to the blacktop! Oh, you're sparking! Oh, you're sparking! Oh, you're sparking! Oh my God, dude! Oh my God! Oh my God, dude! Oh my God, dude! My guy's body just took down that sign. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy shit, dude. Yeah, and we need to get him to the hospital. There's coolant everywhere. Oh, bones out, bones out. That is insane. It's kind of expected to pop and then just give out. That tire hooked and as you saw, made direct collision with that other rider. I didn't know either one of them. I think both of them are local Florida riders. The orange 636 up front I know is from Miami, but I don't know either one of the riders personally. But oh my God, that was one of the worst wrecks I've ever seen, man. That was bad. That's literally how quick it happens, though. No, he's not okay. He does not look okay. He doesn't want to do burnouts. I'll do my best to keep this lens dry, guys, as it starts raining. In between a big pack like this, rain, nighttime, foreign streets, your boy is on alert level 10 now, especially after witnessing that accident too. Man, that was brutal.